Hi everybody. So this is the beginning of the vlog, but we just got back home and you're gonna see a vlog of us at Disneyland. I hope you guys enjoyed. But we just got back. So yeah, it's a cold night. Babe, what is it? 48? 45 maybe? Cold. All right guys, let's get on with the vlog. Tonight, we're gonna finish putting on the ornaments on the fresh tree. Glenn already started on his own. Enjoy this Disneyland quick trip because Glenn had the day off. Woo! Cheers! Oh, that one's nice. Got it? My dream came true. What are we gonna see? What are we gonna see? What are we gonna see? The parade. My dream came true. We're finally watching a parade. Glenn's a rider. We never really see parades. When parades come, that's when we run to rides. Aren't you excited?
Well, Merry Christmas to you too! Reindeer! Gather around! On Dasher, on Dancer, on Prancer and Vixen!
We're at Pizza Planet. We're actually gonna go on Space Mountain and then it ended up closing down. And usually when that happens, we'll stay and wait. It's kind of like a risky thing because then it might just open up again. But they made us all evacuate and leave. So we're having dinner at Alien Pizza Planet, pepperoni pizza, and fusilli. And Glenn didn't want to wait for the parade. You guys, look at the crowds now. Look at the crowds. Aren't you happy we saw the earlier one?
Happy holidays, everyone!
Happy holidays.
In just 15 minutes, Disneyland will present
Oh my gosh, look how
our
wild it
Christmas
is.
Fantasy Parade. Come share the joy of this holiday celebration with us.
More coffees, more Cocoa Puffs. You and your lay. Yeah, I can still see. Cocoa Puffs. Oh, now I can see it. So Glenn got this, what is it called?
The Cosmic Orb.
Cosmic Orb, and it's supposed to be raspberry inside?
Oh yeah, you see this is the chocolate cream puff and raspberry filled.
Oh.
First bite. No way.
What's the pinky mean?
I don't
You're
know.
thinking?
What do they do when they're, oh wait. Yeah, it's kind of good. No, it is actually really good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Let's see the inside.
It's not too chocolatey and it's not too sweet.
Oh, I see the purple now. I got the light on it.
It's good.
I'm gonna try it. Let's see.
Try it.
That's actually really good. It's
Yeah.
not too sweet either. Oh, way better than what I thought. Because I'm kind of like weird with fruit and chocolate. I would give this an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Yeah. What does 180,700 mean? That's a vehicle. What's that mean? What's that mean?
I don't know. Does it mean I'm gonna get some money for this or what?
I am.
Oh, you are.
Yeah,
Oh,
pay up. It was a bet.
that's your Disney pass.
No, that was from the goodness of his own heart. I told Glenn, I said, don't hold the Disney pass over me because I've always paid for my own and I can just give him money for it. Don't guilt trip me.
I'm not guilt tripping.
Don't try to have power over me. I am a woman. Hear me roar. Roar.
I mean, you can be an independent woman.
Yeah. And you know what to do. You can be an independent man. Bye. B-A-I. Bye.
I'll be traveling the world.
And I'll be right behind you. Yeah, in the plane following. Bye. We're now in the Superstore, and you guys, look how cool. Black Panther costumes. Show them what you're getting.
Stormbreaker. Because I already have more than yours.
Sit on
We're
their lap.
done.
If you happen to have a backpack, folks, we ask you please take those backpacks off of your back, place them in your lap or to your side. And once we are on the way, folks, there'll be no eating, drinking, smoking, or vaping.
All right, guys, we are done with our Disney day. It was so much fun. So happy that Glenn had the day off. We did some last minute Christmas shopping, right?
Uh-huh.
So gosh. All right, guys. Well, we didn't do an intro, but we'll film the intro back at home. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Whoop.